Hello, this is Uncommon Immer, and I'm here for an unboxing video of my new ASUS FX53V. So we've got a lovely cardboard box here. In search of incredible, a new laptop coming straight to you. So I decided on the ASUS because I liked the specs. They did have that kind of sexist ad campaign ones that ticked me off, but you know, I got over it, I guess, and I have no standards. Again, we see in search of incredible. We got, we got the Intel i7 processor, and here we go. There's a little fabric case. Got barcodes everywhere. I don't know what any of these mean. Ugh. And there she is. Beautiful. I think it's called steel black. There's some kind of cool etching on the back. Sorry, I'm just admiring it right now. More fabric, and we got, of course, the hardcore gamer red keys with a red backlight on them, naturally. And we got some goodies over here. Looks like part of the charge cord. Oh, the user guide, of course. And some extra little screws. Like this entire, there's a big section of the box in the middle here. I don't know if you can see it. And all it had in it was these two pieces of paper and these little screws. So that's something, I guess. I guess they just had to look nice with all their boxes under the camera, the computer. I don't know if you can see that or not. I got our other box, which has just the other half of the charge cord. Maybe I'll try plugging this in and see what happens. If nothing exciting, I can always end the video early, you know, for the audience of one who will watch this. Come on. Scissors. I had scissors here, but a second ago. You can probably see them on the camera, can't you? Oh my god, with the actual book. Oh jeez. Well, I don't know where I put the scissors. Sorry. So I'll just take this apart. Nice cord, I guess. We got a serious charger here. AC adapter. Definitely the biggest one I've had on a laptop. As I'm sure it's fascinating for you to know. Oh, yep. And the light's on. Do I need to let this charge for a while first? Oh, we got the USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, we got LAN, we got headphone, headset, microphone, jack, USB-C, Kensington security slot. We got the optical drive. Charge notebook PC for 3 hours before using it in battery mode for the first time. So I guess we can turn it on in the... Oh, the power button's different than I'm used to. So yeah, here, I'll come and get you. You can see the computer up close. Things are lighting up. It's popping off. ASUS. Look at the pretty red hardcore gamer backlight on the keyboard. in search of incredible. I think they've said that enough. I realize that's your saying, ASUS. Thank you very much. So this will be Windows 10 booting up. That's what this came with, was Windows 10. Very slick. Hi there. You probably don't need to see the setup, but here we go. I'm just gonna, yeah. I'll end it there. So super duper excited for my new gaming laptop. What?